Hi people, today I'm going to show you another simple process on your Windows 10 computer on how to change the date and time settings on your computer. It's a very easy step, it's a very easy process. How do you go about it? Go to Control Panel, either select the shortcut on your desktop or you go to Start, then you type Control Panel, you press Enter. On enter, you'll find date and time here, this option here. So you click on date and time, then you change date and time here. That's where you go. Then you select the month, change the date, then you change the time, then you press OK, and that's all. You've already changed your system date and time. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.